I saw in our Global Mobile Consumer Survey for 2015 research that about 25% of people really enjoyed browsing for things on their mobile devices, for shopping. But when it came to actually completing the transaction, 9% or fewer were actually buying.
Yeah. It's a great thing to be able to browse on your phone. You've got your phone with you everywhere. You can look at things when you're bored, when you're commuting. But when it comes to actually paying, you're sometimes presented with a long list of information that you have to fill in before you can complete your transaction. If you're online on your computer, you've got a keyboard, it's a chore, but you can do it. If you're on a mobile device, on a bus, which is juddering from side to side, it can be almost impossible. And that's even before the predictive text kicks in.
Right, and I've seen statistics that there's something like 80% shopping cart abandonment, which is a big problem. Do we see a solution in 2016?
Yes, so what we see happening is a growth of what we're terming touch commerce, which we're expecting to grow by about 150% in terms of regular users to 50 million worldwide by the end of the year. So what is this? As it suggests, with a single touch of your fingerprints or a couple of touches of the screen, you can complete your transaction using pre-populated data.
Let's start with the fingerprint. How many fingerprint-enabled phones will there be in the world in 2016?
Yeah, it sometimes feels pretty niche, but actually there are already hundreds of millions of phones which have pretty good quality fingerprint readers. And this year we expect another 500 million devices, most of which will be phones, but also tablets and some PCs, to have a fingerprint reader enabled.
Okay, and if I have a phone that doesn't, if I'm not one of the lucky ones, if I don't have a fingerprint reader, can I still use touch commerce?
Yep, it's not just those with a fingerprint, it's the easiest solution, it's pretty secure, but via third-party financial services companies, via existing e-commerce companies which have your details, your credit card information and your address, they can provide that ability to pre-populate all your data to authorize you and authenticate you so you can shop a lot more quickly.
Now, triple growth to 50 million in 2016, that's a lot of growth. Let's take it a little longer. Do you see a point where people actually find it easier to shop on their mobiles and make the purchase than on their desktop or laptop computers?
Yeah, we expect this will become more and more prevalent over the years. We're still at early days in terms of the incorporation of this. A lot of companies are going, we've just managed to do e-commerce, and they're telling us to do mobile commerce, and they're telling us to do one-touch commerce. So a lot of companies are playing catch-up, but we think it will become increasingly the differentiator, the table stakes, that you make transactions as easy as possible.
Makes sense. I look forward to completing my holiday shopping even faster and on my mobile.